Hi guys, let's make Nigerian buns today. Very delicious, I tell you. And now for today's recipe, we have sugar 60 grams. We're going to make use of 2 eggs, melted butter 20 grams. We're also going to make use of milk flavor 8 grams only. Then yeast 10 grams. Finally, we have salt 5 grams. In a clean bowl, very clean. You can see how my own is clean. Add 550 grams. But for the purpose of kneading and rolling, we are going to remove a portion and keep aside, set aside a portion, and then we proceed with and mix the remaining one. So I added my butter, melted butter. You can use the unmelted or unsalted, and it's still going to give you the needed result. So you add everything step by step, just the way I am doing it. Is super easy. You can do it from the comfort of your home. Don't think it's too technical, as so many emphasize it's not technical. So add your sugar, add everything together, and then I want to take this moment to appreciate all my subscribers, my returning subscribers, those that has been liking my videos, dropping comments, interacting, and ensuring that my channel grow. You are welcome. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting my channel. May the Lord bless you. If you are new in this channel, this is where we bake every day. We bake bread and small shops, talk about business and how we can make real money. And so for the video, we have to continue. You have to use a spatula or a strong spoon, to first of all mix so that everything will be well incorporated. And then you add water in bits. This is just a cup of water. I did not make use of the full cup of water because I want it to be somehow strong, so that my buns will be that somehow crunchy and very thick, not fluffy. I don't want the fluffy buns. So you sprinkle dry flour, the one we set aside, sprinkle it on the table and then knead. You can see that it looks soft. So I'm adding more dry flour, the one we have already weighed. I'm adding more dry flour to make sure that I come up with this consistency. You can see that it's not fluffy and it's not too strong. So I'm going to divide it into 2 portions and set 1 portion aside so that it will be easy for me to make it flat, for me to roll it flat and do the cutting. So set that portion aside. If you have watched to this point, please do well to like this video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tell me where you are watching from. So I'm going to use this plastic. Feel free to make use of any size of your choice, the way you want it. For me, I just want this portable, round, beautiful size so that my buns will be very good. And if you want to sell it, this size is really recommendable because it will give you enough loaves that you are going to sell, and my family love it. I tell you, they love it. So after cutting, I'm going to arrange them in a tray and allow it to proof for a little kicking will do the job. You can see how the size looks like at the end of the whole thing. So I'm going to set it on fire and start frying immediately. The oil should not be too hot so as not to burn the buns. Don't just burn it anyhow. Just have to fry it a little bit slow, and you can see how beautiful it looks. I am salivating already. This is wonderful. It's going to be yummy, and I tell you, it's very good for breakfast, with a cup of tea, and you are off to work. Thank you for watching. Let's look how the inside looks like. You can see how beautiful, yummy it looks. See you in my next video. Bye.